Here we are at the house, this section of the garden. Onions are doing well. One that is going to seed. I'll let those drop. Finally planted the Carolina Reaper that I bought. It took quite a hit when we had that 104 temperature. I didn't have it in the ground quite yet, so it kind of looks bad, but it's doing all right. And it has flowers on it, so it's still doing well. All the other peppers, here's that Puma. They said, well, maybe this one is slightly taller, but it's bushing out a lot better. All my other peppers doing very, very well here. The Buena Muerta. These peppers are a lot bigger over here. We did try one. First one that came out, it was not spicy. It just tasted like a green pepper. So we're going to let these mature a little bit more. See what comes about with them. This beauty is tall. It's not bushing out nearly as much as I thought it was going to, but it's doing very well. Doing pretty good. This is Chinese 5 color. As you can see, this one isn't doing as well as the one at the bigger garden. Now this is the one that I thought was a brown jalapeno. Well, unless I looked at the picture incorrectly, that doesn't look like a brown jalapeno. Thinking maybe a Scotch bonnet or Brazilian starfish. One of the two. But it's not looking like a brown jalapeno. Now these are the cayennes that the husband is really liking. They get thicker, or longer and thicker. Let's see if I can. Right here at the base, those get a little thicker the bigger that they get. They have quite a kick to them, nice heat, really good. Tomatoes are doing very well. This is the Sugar Rush Peach, or no, sorry, not Sugar Rush Peach, Sun Gold. Gosh darn it. Sun Sugar. I get them every year. You think I'd know their name. Sun Sugar. I need to secure it to the lattice. This is the one that we built in the video. And then from here, I will let it completely branch out. The Atomic tomato. Doing very well. Now the Super Fantastic, like the one at the office, this one is not looking so hot. I don't know if it doesn't like being a one stem or what's going on here. It's doing all right. It looks better than the one at the office, but it doesn't look as healthy as my others do. So I'm not sure what's going on there. The La Roma, or maybe it's the La Roma that's not looking good at the office. Roma tomatoes, this one is doing far better. This is now attached and up there, so I'll now let it branch out the way it wants. Now this is the tomato that was broken by diesel. And it is bushing out. I kind of have no choice because I need it to stem up and start to grow. So this one's going to be a little bit more at the bottom, I think, but we'll get it attached and get going. As you can see, I moved my bucket. Put it here in the middle. See if the bugs and the nutrients would transfer down into there. That's 2 weeks. It has settled down quite a bit. I did stir it up a little bit, so that's some grass mixed up. Pretty slimy. There's lots of bugs in there. I'm going to let it go down for another 2 weeks, see where we're at that point, and then start adding to it. So, that's my 2-week update on plants here at the house. Not doing too bad. Doing fairly well. Looking really good.